Now we
Yeah.
can start. Hi, brother.
So I would like to know about you. Introduce yourself a little bit.
Okay. So, as you know very well, my name is Arun Kumar. Basically, I am from UP, district Bagpat. By profession, I am an English teacher, and I have been teaching this English for 12 years. And I am running a YouTube channel named called Learning English with AK, where I just upload English conversational videos. And I'm having so many hobbies like playing guitar, singing, listening music, traveling. Thank you so much. That's all
Okay,
about me.
okay. I'm very happy talking with you. Actually, you have been in this profession for 12 years, so it is a very big time. Okay, so I appreciate you and thank you for giving me your precious time. Actually, you are a teacher, so I can understand you don't have time much. Okay, so actually, so now I would like to ask you about your daily routine.
My daily routine. Okay, so right now
Your
the summer vacation is going on, right?
okay.
So my routine has changed. But if I talk about the earlier, so I get up usually at 5:30 or 6 a.m. You can say. Then I do all the activities, which is nature, which is
You can also,
done by
tell
nature.
important what you do for English. If you want, skip the other things what you do in general. That means eating and having, sleeping.
I
You can
know,
complete all things. Yeah, actually,
I
you
know.
already have
Okay,
told me
so
that you don't have much.
at 7 o'clock, I just go to school for teaching sake. Then my school timing is till 7 to 1 p.m. Then I come back at my home and I just take rest a little bit and do some kind of activities which is related to my home. And at 4 o'clock, 4:30, I just take tuitions as well. There are so many students, they come to me for learning this beautiful language. And then I just have a time, means a good time of myself with my friends.
Okay, okay,
And
that's
yeah,
okay. So now
that's it.
let me ask another question. So okay, so what's your qualification, sir? What's your qualification?
I have completed my graduation only. I did not complete my master degree because of some reasons. So I'm
Graduation
doing
in which
MBA. Yeah, Hindi, Hindi
in which
political,
subject?
Hindi, Hindi political and sociology.
Okay, okay, thank you, very good. So now I would like to know about your family background so that I can also inspired, can get inspired by you.
Actually, if I talk about my family background, so rural background is there. I just live here in my means village. So Hindi, from Hindi background, I just completed my all education. I was not good at English at all when I was doing my education, means 12th standard. Till 12th standard, I was zero in English. But when I shifted in Delhi for job purpose, so that time I just got to know what is the importance of English, and then I started to learn this beautiful language. Yeah, since then I have been teaching, you know very well.
Okay, thank you. So do you have any question for me?
Yeah, of course. First of all, I would like to know a little bit about you. You did
Yeah,
not give me your introduction.
I'm Yugandhar Kumar Yadav. I'm from which is a very small district in Uttar Pradesh, and I did BCA.
Wait. Your voice is breaking and your network issue is going on, I think. So just please repeat your
Sound.
introduction again.
Yeah, I can't see you
Yes,
properly.
now.
You are not visible. You are not,
I am not
you are not
visible.
visible. Yeah.
Now am I visible?
No, yeah, now you are visible. Yeah, now again I introduce myself. Okay, so I'm Yugandhar Kumar Yadav. I did BCA in 2021, and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoni district, which is a very small district in Uttar Pradesh. And you know, My hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and learning new things. My father is a farmer, my mother is a housewife, and we live in a village. And that's my introduction. And
Great,
about introduction.
great to know. But
So
some background noise is coming. Your
yeah,
wind
yeah.
wind
Actually,
is blowing, I think.
the wind is blowing, so that it could be. So let's manage. Okay.
Okay, let's see. So
Yeah.
yeah, okay. Now you ask me anything, whatever you want to ask. On
Yeah.
which
So
topic you would like to have a
do you
conversation?
like do you like reading books?
Of course, I do not like reading books, but yes, I have to read because just because of teaching, because I teach students as well. So yeah, but the stories, if you know, the English first means literature. So the literature has these stories in it, right? So I just love to read that. I love to narrate that. So this is my hobby, you can say as well. Of course,
Okay.
I love to
Why
read.
why don't you not like reading books? Give me five reasons.
Okay, the reason is see, in my point of view, I just notice that I'm just wasting my time. Reading
Okay.
books is my wasting time. I feel it. I feel it
Okay.
because I have
Actually,
less amount of time. I have no sufficient time. See, whenever I'm just going to read the books, so I it needs so much time as well. Means half an hour, 1 hour. So I don't have this much time. Only 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes I have got only. So I have to do several kind of work as well. That's why I don't like it. But yes, I'm not saying that it is not a good thing. It is very good thing. It gives you very much information as well to improve your English speaking skills and to improve your vocabulary as well. So it is good for you. But I it depends that what kind of daily routine activities you are having. So I'm having little bit of a busy schedule. That's why I cannot do this.
okay. That is the one reason. Give me five reason. I told you.
Okay, five reason you want. So first of all, the time management means time I don't have to read the books. The second thing is whenever I just read the book, so I feel very sleepy. I feel sleepy. I
Okay.
can if I am going to read the book, so I'm going to sleep as well. This is the second thing, right? The third thing is I feel that it is not so much beneficial for me as well. Yes, the beginners as well, it is so beneficial. But see, because just because of I am having different kind of work, so that's why the third reason is I cannot read so much.
Okay.
Now the
That
fourth thing is I have to visit several places as well. Means suppose right now I'm in Lucknow, right? But after 1 hour, I don't think that where I have to go, right? I have to cross the states. I have to cross the district. So I don't know. I actually really don't know where I have to go in the next 1 hour. So this is the second. This is the another reason.
okay.
Yeah,
So let me put another question is that how much grammar is required for spoken English?
basic grammar knowledge. Basic grammar of knowledge means basic knowledge of grammar is very essential in my point of view because it gives you so much confidence. Why? Because you are able to make the sentences properly. You can construct the sentence properly because you know very well how to make sentences present indefinite tense, continuous, perfect sentences. Hello.
Yeah, you know actually sometimes from your side skin is stopped. Okay, you are
Screen is stopped. Why? Because your network issue is going on from your
okay,
side.
okay.
Because
Yeah, yeah.
wind is blowing and
Explain it.
you are sitting in some yeah.
Okay, explain it
Yeah.
properly. I was not able to hear you properly due to this region. Okay.
So what were your question? I forgot.
Yeah, my question is that how much grammar is essential for speaking English?
Okay. Okay. So the basic knowledge of grammar is very essential in the spoken part as well. Just because if you have the basic knowledge of grammar, you can construct the sentence properly, you can make sentence properly, and you can speak as well. Am I right? And the grammar, basic knowledge of grammar is the pillar. You can say the pillar. By that pillar, you can just speak very good English, right? So suppose if you are not having the good command of means basic grammar, you can there will be so much chance to make the sentences wrong, and you can do little wrong things in your sentences as well. So if you want that you speak correct English, and the English which you are speaking should not be broken, that means you need your grammar portion strong, right? So that gives you a very good thing.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you for explaining this question very easily and understandably. So, and actually, uh, on my channel, lot of people here to understand which topic is, how much this English grammar is important for speaking. Lot of questions I am being asked since I am in this profession. So thank you for explaining these questions very easily. And now I would like to ask another question is that so
Please
how
ask.
actually, yeah, which standard, you know, class do you teach?
I'm the teacher of 10th class.
10th class. Okay, so how do you manage children? Actually, uh, I'm also a student, so I have seen a lot of things. Actually, I did BCA, so I was also seen in graduation that people, students don't understand teacher and teacher don't understand you know students. So how do you manage them and this situation?
Okay. See, you know very well that this is the combination between the two person means students and teachers, right? So if you are very good person to understand someone, means you are good to understand someone and you are good to make them understand as well. So then the combination and coordination must be will be there, and it must be there. So whenever the students do some kind of wrong activities in front of me, I just make them understand that students, this is not a good thing, and I just clear their future mirror as well. That if you are doing like this kind of thing in your right now the timing, so your future will be darker. Otherwise, if you will have some kind of habit of learning something or to make your career better, so you have to study properly so that you can just serve your country, you can serve your profession, you can better take care of your parents as well. So like this, I just give them speeches. Means it is not a speech, motivational quotes. I have to tell them so that they can just easily understand that yes, Arun sir is speaking everything very good, and it is not good for us, which we are doing wrong things. So next time we will not do. So this is the coordination I just make with the students, so the students understand me as well.
Okay, so my third question is that who's your inspiration in this field? Online I am giving you two options, you know Khan sir and Vikas Trivedi.
Actually, I just know means I know only Khan sir. Means the second question, the second thing, the second name you told me.
You don't
I'm
know
really
about
sorry.
Vikas Trivedi?
I don't
Vikas
know. And
Trivedi.
no, I'm really sorry. I don't know.
Okay,
But
don't worry.
Khan sir, I know very well, and I love him so much. And he is the inspirational person to all the students who are studying right now. And I also learn so many things from him whenever I just watch his videos. So yeah, I boost my confidence, and I have confidence. But yes, whenever I just feel a little bit low, so I just watch his videos. So my confidence, little bit increases. So
Okay.
yes, I love him.
Okay. So when you feel down, that means disappointed. So what do you do, and how do you manage yourself?
Sometime I just watch a concerts video, and apart from this, I just usually play my guitar along with singing. Means
Okay.
I sing my song and along with my guitar. So I just love it, and at that point of time, I feel very chargeable and confident as well. So these two things I just do.
So in your family, how many members do you have?
There are five. There are seven members in my family.
Seven members. Okay. So who do you like the most? Whom?
My all family members, brother. Actually,
All the family. But I'm asking that the most. Actually, your parents.
yeah, of course, my parents, because parents love we cannot compare with anyone. So it is
Yes.
see the fingers, see five fingers in my hand, right? If someone will tell me that which finger I should cut, so I will not tell that this is this finger, this finger, this finger. So I love everyone, but yes, my parents I love the most.
Okay, that's okay. Very good. Thank you.
It doesn't mean that see it doesn't mean that I do not love with my siblings. I love
Yeah, I
with
can
them,
understand. No, no, I
right?
can understand. Actually, you are saying that everyone is very important in your life. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I can understand. So thank you. Do you have
Okay,
any
brother.
question you can ask, or if you don't have time, so you can go.
Yeah, thank you so much because almost more than 19 minutes happened, and it is time to end the session.
No, no,
So,
it's
brother, thank you so much.